I'm here at Campo de Fiori, a great place to do some shopping. So Campo de Fiori means fields of flowers. It was an actual meadow just outside the city walls. In the 15th century, Pope Calixtus had it paved over, creating this bustling public square. In 1600, Giordano Bruno, a Dominican friar turned philosopher, was executed here by the Roman Inquisition. His crime, believing in things we take for granted today, an infinite universe, multiple planets, and an earth that rotates. His statue that stands in the middle of the square was designed by Ettore Ferrari in the 19th century. It was intentionally placed facing the Vatican as a symbolic act of defiance. Bruno stands there with his back to the crowd, eyes fixated on the Vatican, as to say, I'm still here. Campo de Fiori remained a public site of execution well into the 18th century. So where you see all these little stalls now was where the scaffolds once stood.
Campo de Fiori is always open as it's a public square. The markets are typically open Monday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. There is no fee to attend. The market is closed on Sundays. To get the most of the market atmosphere, visit in the morning. To get more of the restaurant nightlife, visit in the evenings.
I hope you were able to walk around Campo de Fiori and enjoy your time here.